Most e-commerce platforms are broken and not user-friendly. Online shopping can become a hassle for some people out there. Sometimes online shoppers can't find the exact item they are looking for and are faced with irrelevant search results. So, they end up compromising on alternatives just to save time. But when the item is available on the marketplace, it's either out of stock, overpriced, or available in an unfavorable condition. Now let's come to sellers or retailers. When they want to sell an item, they don't know if the item they are trying to sell is in demand or not. If there are interested buyers, then it takes a while to find a serious buyer before they make a sale. Introducing WanaSell. Snap it, have it! WanaSell is a mobile application where buyers post items they urgently need and get multiple offers from local sellers for the exact item they are looking for. WanaSell uses machine learning to provide users with an innovative technique to shop that is tailored according to their needs. No more irrelevant search results and no wasting time. Guess who set the price? The buyer. Guess who knows what's in demand? The seller. Using WanaSell is simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Post a photo of your desired item. 2. Get multiple offers from sellers. 3. Accept offers based on your budget. And there are no ads at all. We invite you to back us up on Kickstarter to help WanaSell help people save time and money.